and girls. My name is Zara.
And my name is Mary.
Today, we will be teaching you how to do 2 by 1 digit subtraction. Let's roll into math.
So I'm going to do blocks and Zara's going to do place value.
So our equation is going to be 25 minus 6 on a place value chart and blocks.
I'm going to do blocks on the side of the place value chart.
So the equation is 25 minus 6.
So if we have 10 blocks and if we add another 10 blocks, that's 2 tenths. And if we add 5 ones, that's 25. Since we are subtracting by 6, we gotta add 6.
It's gonna be a little harder, so that's why we have a place value chart so it can be easier. So on my whiteboard, on my place value chart, I'm gonna put 2 in the tens, and I'm gonna do 5 in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
So we can't do 5 minus 6, so we gotta take 1 tens and move it to the ones place. That gives us 15 minus 6. So I'm gonna let Zara speak.
So on my place value chart, we're gonna do the same thing as Mary did. So we take the 10, move it to the ones, and make it into a 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we left off of 15 minus 6, that equals 9.
And also on my place value chart, 9 is left.
And then we have 1 10 left over, so our answer is,
The answer is, drumroll please, 19! Bye guys! Thank you for watching our Cool Math Tigers video.